Alright, hello wide world of YouTube. I am Joshua, aka Mr. Everything Man. We're keeping it fresh, we're keeping it original, we're keeping it 100% unedited here. And improvised, unscripted, and unrehearsed. And that really plays a role in this one because tonight I'm playing Will You Press the Button, which allegedly is way funner than Would You Rather. I've personally played them both, and I'd say they're about the same. Maybe this one's a little funner, I don't know. I haven't played this in like a good year or two, and I've never played it in a YouTube video, so I figured let's do that now. Obviously, it's completely uncut, and it's completely improvised, meaning I haven't looked at any of the questions that are going to be on here before making this video, so I'll just be reacting to them on the spot. I may skip a few if they're like if they make me really uncomfortable, but you know, because I mean, yeah, it for the most part it is a family-friendly channel. It's complicated, but you know, on my part anyway. So it's like, yeah, but so I mean, I'll let you know if I skip any, but without further ado, let's get into Will You Press the Button? It's kind of like a Q&A, like trivia style kind of. I don't know. It's fun. Anyway, so these are all hypothetical situations, and if I press the button, then it happens. If I don't, then things remain exactly as they are now. Anyway, let's see what we got here. You are young and beautiful forever, but you have the world's worst voice. Well, ordinarily I'd say yes because, you know, voice, I don't really care. I don't really care what kind of voice I have. Being young and beautiful is more important, but than that. But I'm still gonna say no because I don't really care about youth or beauty right now. So I will not. Okay, next. Sorry, the internet's a little slow. It might be. Okay. Oh yeah. Then we also got to show the statistics, I guess. 41% of people pressed the buttons, 59% did not, so I'm in the majority on that one. Alright, next. You will live a perfect life. Wow. Able to change anything at a moment's notice. But it is within a computer-generated universe that you can never leave, and you know that the world you live in is fake. So basically, you're in the Matrix. Oh yeah, sorry if there's background noise. I have my windows open because it's a nice night. Okay, so you're in the Matrix, basically. You can't leave, but you're able to change it at will. Yeah, sure, let's do it. Press that button. I mean, define fake, you know? Define perfect, too. 59% of people pressed the button, 41% did not. Again, 59 to 41. And then I'm in the majority, okay? Lifespan doubled with at least 60 years of youthful vigor, but you will step on a Lego brick at random intervals at least 4 times every day. A Lego brick? I'm not scared of a Lego brick. Let's do it. 64% of people pressed the button. 36% did not. So I'm in the majority on that one too. Okay, 3 to 3. You can get all the games you want for the rest of your life, but you must break every phone, tablet, and computers that you have. Well, technically, if I knew that was going to happen, I could just transfer all the important stuff, all the data and all that onto like a hard drive or, you know, something, or discs, or USB or some, you know, whatever. I can transfer all of it to another device and just get new stuff. You know, I could just get new ones and just destroy the current ones with nothing on them. And then I get all the games I want for the rest of my life. It doesn't say for free, it doesn't say immediately, but hey, I will get all of the games that I want, right? So yeah, let's do it. Oh wow, 37% pressed the button, 63% did not. So I'm in the minority on that one. Okay, 3 to 1 so far. You will obtain a backpack with limitless space, and it doesn't ever feel any heavier. But each time you add an item, you must move slightly slower than before. Okay, well, I can easily cheat that because add an item. Okay, what about a bag full of items? That's technically only one item, right? So, yeah, I'll do it. And plus, it's only slightly. 61% of people pressed it, 39% did not. So I'm in the majority on that one too. Okay, next. You can delete anyone from history at any given time, but all of the negative repercussions that result from it affect you and your loved ones. Okay, well, I don't want to alter history at all anyway, because I don't know what kind of ripple effects it would have, so no, I will not. 34% of people did, 66% did not, so. Transfer yourself into any anime, video game, television show, and basically stopping time in real life. That's kind of poorly worded. Transfer yourself into any anime, video game, or a television show. I guess there's no or, but I guess there should be. And basically stopping time in real life. But you can only transfer back to the real life after living in the world for 10 years. 10 years in, like, the equivalent of 10 years in the place, or 10 years here, because I doubt they're the same. You know, it's like being on another planet for 10 years. It's like, it doesn't work that way, but... yeah, sure, whatever. I mean, I thought it was going to be, but you can never come back. But no, you can. You just, okay, sure, yeah, I'll do that. Because I have a particular one in mind. Okay, yeah, 72% of people would, 28% did not. So I'm in the majority on that one. So it's 5-1 so far. Is this water? Can I drink some? Good. You know about magic and Hogwarts, but you can't use magic. Man, what kind of 8-year-old wrote this? Jeez. You know about magic and Hogwarts. I already know about magic and Hogwarts. I don't know any, like, I can't perform any spells, but the con to this is already you can't use magic. So what's the point? That's basically my situation already. I know about, which is basically I know of, magic and Hogwarts. Like, what the... I mean... no, I'm going to spike this question. No, I will not. 42% of people would, 58% would. I'm not even counting that one. Even though I technically am in the majority. Because it's a stupid question. You have the ability to become invisible for as long as you want. But you cannot use your power to watch the opposite gender in a shower or anywhere else. Sure, that's not what I'd use it for anyway, so... I mean, I have other things in mind. So yeah, 79% of people pressed it, 21% did not, so I'm in the majority on that. Okay. You will gain the ability to hear people's thoughts as if you were eavesdropping on a conversation, but if you use it more than 10 times a day, you will slowly begin to... will begin to slowly spiral into madness. If you use it more than 10 times per day? So if I use it 10 times or less per day, then it's just completely fine and there's no side effects? Sure, yeah, okay. 77% of people did, 23% didn't. So I'm in the majority on that one. It's 7-1 so far. You can become a world athlete and win gold in multiple Olympic events, but you must take an undetectable performance-enhancing drug to do it. So yeah, this is basically like a moral question. I mean, are any of my competitors using drugs? You know, like, because if they're not, then I won't. But I bet most people in most Olympic things have at least one person that are. So, undetectable. Yeah, I'm be more worried about the health consequences. I mean, if it's just once, sure, I'm gonna go ahead and be a bad example to all the kids. Yeah, all right, let's do it. 52% did, 48% didn't. Wow, what an immoral world we live in. Okay, 8-1. You can transform into whatever you wish, but each transformation is excruciatingly painful. How long does it last? That's the question. Well, will it blend is the question, but that's the second question. Yeah, sure. Come on, load. Come on, load. Dude, what's going on? What? Alright, let's try the other network. The internet just randomly decided to stop working, so I'm not going to pause this just to stay true to my uncut promise. Hopefully this should work. Come on. Okay, alright, 72% pressed the button, 28% didn't, so, yeah, 8 to 1, I think. Alright, next. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna pause this because I need to fix the... Oh, wait. Is it working? Okay, cool. You will escape an accident that would lead to your death, but 2 strangers die. Classic. Accident? I mean, is there such a thing as... Okay, so basically, like, you know, was I supposed to die? Like, this is like, it's like altering history. It's like, you know, judging by the phrasing of it, accident, then I guess it would be an untimely death, which I guess in this hypothetical is a thing. So, so basically, prevent me from dying prematurely, but 2 strangers die. Okay, well, here's the thing. I'm going to justify my answer before I make it here. Here's the thing. If I live as long as I want to, or, you know, as long as I am supposed to, I believe I will save numerous people's lives, both directly and indirectly. And I will do things that will be essential to society, you know, for generations to come. And I have big plans, essentially, and I'm gonna make a lot of people happy, way more than 2. So I'm gonna save myself here, but just because saving myself would ensure the safety of way more than 2 people. So it's the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the 2. So sorry, I'm pressing the button. See how many selfish people are. Oh, 69% of people did, 31% didn't. You selfish people, what's your excuse? Okay, I'm in the majority on that too. 9 to 1, wow. You get $2,000 a day, but you have to go to the bathroom 10 times every day. Sure, what's wrong with that? I mean, I'm already close to that, so... Not in the money, I mean, going to the bathroom, so... Yeah. 82% of people did, 18% didn't. I'm the majority on that too. Okay, 10 to 1. Next. You never have to lose people, but you can only work minimum wage. Now, loss is part of life. Minimum wage is hopefully not a part of mine. So no. No. Come on, load. I'm not gonna only work minimum wage. Okay, 42% did, 58% did not. So I'm in the minority on that one. So 10 to 2. You get $5 million, but you remain confined to wheelchair for life. Ooh. Yeah, health over wealth. Sorry. I will not. Health is wealth. Hashtag health is wealth. I don't know. Somebody trend that. Okay, 40% would, 60% would not. So I'm in the majority on that too. Okay, 11 to 2. You remove spiders on Earth, but a random guy on the Earth die. Wow, somebody gotta check their grammar on here. You remove spiders on Earth, but a random guy on to Earth die. This is spiders. Why spiders? Why not like mosquitoes or something? I don't mind spiders. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna risk some random guy's life for the blasted spiders. 54% would, 46% wouldn't. Wow, really? More people would do that. Okay, I'm in the minority on that one. 11 to 3. You have the power of Goku, but you must sacrifice yourself in an effort to save the world. In an effort to save the world. The power of Goku, I mean, you must sacrifice yourself in order to... Like, how long after receiving the power, you know? Is that just, like, my eventual death, or is that immediately afterwards? You know, that doesn't specify. But sure, I'll do it, so... Let's go. Okay, 46% would, 54% would. Okay, so I'm in the minority. So, 11 to 4. You can fly, but you constantly feel like you're wearing wet socks. Constantly? So not just flying, it's like all the time. You feel like you're wearing wet socks. Well, I'd probably adjust to it, so yeah, sure. I mean, hey, come on, I can fly. Alright. 70% of people did, 28% wouldn't. Okay, so 12 to 4. You don't have to pay for anything for the rest of your life, but you can never hear music again. Nope. Nope, music's too important. Paying for things is a part of life. Okay. 44% would, 56% wouldn't. Okay, so I'm 13 to 4. You can... wait a minute, what? Okay. You can look like anyone you want, and every attractive person of the opposite gender will be attracted to you and only you. But if you don't look in the mirror at least once a day, your good looks will disappear and all of your admirers will turn against you. Look in a mirror once a day? Really? That's all I have to do? Yeah, sure, fine. I'll just press the button. It's 79% would, 21% wouldn't. Okay, so 14 to 4. You have the ability to see the future at will, but you lose 2 of your 5 senses. Do I get to choose which 2, or are they just random? Which 2 would I get rid of, by the way? I don't know. You have the ability... Wait a minute. You have the ability to see the future at will. That sounds unnatural to me. No. You gotta live in the present, you know? Alright, 42% did, 58% did. 15 and 4. You can go back in time and change one thing in history, all these blasted time travel ones, but you return to your timeline at any given moment. No, I don't want to change anything in history, no. Things needed to happen the way they did to get to now. Anyway, 63% did 37%, and so... Oh, okay, so I'm... Okay, so that's a loss. So 15... 14 to 5. You don't need to sleep anymore, but you need to pay tax 35% of your wage every month for it. Oh. I mean, I like sleeping. You need to pay a tax 35% of your wage every month. Every month that you sleep? Like, how is that regulated? Can't it just be like per hour or something? Like, you know, like $5 an hour for sleep or something? Can't it just be like by the hour? Why does it have to be per month? Because if I don't need to sleep, then it should be like what I stole. Huh. Nah, I like sleeping anyway. 33% did, 67% did. Okay, 16 to 5. Or wait, no, 15 to 5. You are the CEO at Facebook, but you can't make a Facebook account. Done. That's fine. I really don't need a Facebook account. So, yeah. Alright, 80% did, 20% didn't. Okay, 16 to 5. Next. Come on. You'll get to know what was in the letter that Jim gave to Pam in the last couple episodes of The Office, but you will probably cry for about an hour and feel like a baby. Wow. This is what people are making will you press the button questions about now. Oh. Wow. I mean, really, crying for an hour, that's like, yeah, sure. Feeling like a baby, what, you mean like carefree? Well, I don't know that, but, yeah. Sure. 49, I mean, I really don't care, but whatever. 49, I'm just trying to prove a point. 49% people did, 51% did not. Wow. Okay, so 15 to 6. Or, no, 16, right? Or 15. Yeah, whatever, I'll say 15 to 6. Come on. Come on! I wouldn't mind if I wasn't making a plastic YouTube video. Come on! Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna answer that. Alright, next. Be able to speak any language fluently, but you can never go to the land where the language originated from. That's interesting. Oh wow, it glitched out. Wow, alright. Next. You have all the same powers as Superman, but you can only use them when no one is watching you. I mean, sure. I'm not a show off anyway. I mean, there's no downside. This internet's way too slow. It was fine, but 71% did, 29% did not. Okay, so 16 to 6. You will regain your freedoms, whatever that means, but you have to stop using smartphones and Google services. Also delete your Facebook account. Okay, well, I don't have one, but stop using your smartphones. Okay, I can use a laptop. It's not that big of a deal. And Google services. So does that mean YouTube? Ah, crap. Regain your freedoms. What does that even mean? Well, I don't want to stop making YouTube videos. And if I wasn't a content creator, then sure, because I don't mind now watching YouTube. Okay, 38% of people did, 62% didn't. Probably for different reasons, but whatever. I'm in the majority. Okay. So 17 to 6. You are given your dream car, an unbreakable one, but you will never be able to drive another car. Sure, I don't, if I found my dream car, I wouldn't want to drive another one, so yeah, sure. I feel like it's a metaphor for something. Anyway, 81% did, 19% didn't, so I'm in the majority. 18 to 6. Come on, next. Okay, your current/future husband or wife has the absolute perfect body and personality, but you meet them when you're both 15 and they are the only person you can ever date and you can never cheat. Personality, sure. It's kind of the same thing as the car one, right? 86% of people did, 14% didn't. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so 19 to 6. And next. It's too slow. Come on. You get to live in a perfect world that you have created, but you are the only one living in it. You're the only one living in it. You can probably create like a holodeck, basically. And everybody, like, they're not truly living, but yeah, I'll do it. There can still be other people, they'd just be like robots and holograms and stuff. Yeah. Oh, 44% of people did, 56% didn't. It didn't say you will be alone, it just said you'll be the only one living in it. So if I clarified that, it may have been different. Anyway, 19 to 7. You can eat anything you want and not get fat, but you can never talk to the opposite gender again. No. No, it's a stupid question. I mean, I love food, but not that much. Okay, 30% of people did, 70% didn't. Wow. Yeah, I'm in the 20 to 7. Gain the ability to fluently speak and understand every language and dialect in the world, but you can never speak or understand the English language afterward. Okay, that's assuming that my default language is English, but which it is, but still, it's presumptuous. But I'm able to fluently speak and understand every language. It doesn't say every other, it just says every. So that means including English. But I'll never be able to speak or understand. That's a contradiction. I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt here and assume that they meant to type every other language. Anyway, so if that's the case, um, yeah, I'll still do it. 55% of people did, 45% didn't. Okay. 21-7. You can go into fictional worlds. I assume they meant to type worlds. But you can never read a book again. You can go into fictional worlds. I don't know what a world is, but you can go into fictional worlds. How many, like, any ones am I choosing? Like, is it just like Quantum Leap that, you don't control it, or like, there's so many questions here. I can't read a book, but there's probably ways around that. Because you can read other stuff that's like, I mean, I can listen to audiobooks, go into fictional worlds. Nah. Come on. This is so slow. %76 of people did, 24% didn't. Okay, 21-8. Come on. Come on. It's not that I mind, it's just like for the sake of the video. What? What? Okay, well, that's just... There. What? Okay, yeah. Well, now there's just... Alright, hold on. I gotta fix this. Alright, here we go. Back on. You have any superpower you want, but everyone will be bugging you to help them every day of your life. Now... Come on. By better, I mean it works now, at least. It's still really slow. Alright, well... I tried everything I can. Oh, what? Well, no wonder it's not working. I have it on the... Okay, there, that should make it better. Alright. You see the statistics from now on. Alright, 69% did, 31% didn't. Okay, so I'm in the minority. So, 21 to 10, I think. Yeah. You will you will find your soulmate, but you have to give up everything you own: photos, money, cars, and pets, etc. Everything I own? So like things that I got for free, and like things that I'm borrowing, and like, I mean, I don't own very much. Doesn't say you have to give up all material possessions or anything. I mean, I'm assuming it's implied, but hey. Yeah, no. 45% did, 55% did not. Okay. 22 to 10. Half-Life 3 is released, but it's only for Gen 2. I don't know what either of those things are. Sure, I mean, hey, at least there's a game released, right? 36% of people did, 64% didn't. Yeah, whatever. 30, well, I'm not gonna... Okay, well, the internet's gone, so, that's all I could do, I guess. I don't know. Waste more of your time waiting for this to load, so, plus I'm getting tired anyway, so, yeah, I've been up for like 2 days, basically, so, yeah, night, everyone. You can watch more of my videos if you haven't had enough. Good night.